Represent each of the given relation by a, an arrow diagram, B a graph, and C a set in roster form wherever possible. So in that first question, set of x comma y such that x is equal to 2y and x belongs to set of 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, y belongs to set of 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. So in the question they have given x is equal to 2y, which means when you multiply 2 with a x value, 2 with the y value, you are getting x. So we'll just check for first number 1, multiply 1 by 2. So 1 into 2, it's 2. So we have x value 2 here. So next we will check for the next number, that is 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. And you have 4 in x. So 1 will be related to 2 and 2 will be related to 4. Next you have 3. 3 into 2, 6. But you don't have 6 in x. Next is number 4. 4 into 2, 8, and 8 you don't have an x. So out of these 4 elements in x and y, only these two will be related to each other. That is 2 and 1 will be related and 4 and 2 will be related. We'll write them in arrow diagram, graph, under roster form. So the first one is arrow diagram. Write x value 2, 3, 4, 5 and y value 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have seen 2 is related to 1. Then draw an arrow. And 4 is also related to 2. So this is how you represent a relation using arrow diagram. Next we have to do by graph. So for the graph, draw a graph, mark x-axis, y-axis and mark the value. So the first value is 2, 1. So place 2 in your x-axis and 1 in your y-axis. Mark the point and write it as 2, 1. Next you have 4, 2. So 4 in your x-axis and 2 in your y-axis. So the last one is set in the roster form. So it's nothing but write in the ordered place. First one is 2, 1 and then you have 4, 2. So make sure that you are writing it in a flower bracket. So the next question, set of x comma y such that y is equal to x plus 3 and x comma y are natural numbers less than 10. So they have given x and y are natural numbers, so it will start from number 1 and the values are less than 10. So you have x value from 1, 2, 3 up to 9. And y value also will be the same. So next we will write the relation. So the relation they have defined as y is equal to x plus 3. So take the first value 1, add 1 plus 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4. Next will be number 2. 2 plus 3, 5. For 3 you will get 6. For 4 it is 7. For 5 it's 8. And for 6 it's 9. You can't go for 7 because 7 plus 3 is 10 and 10 you don't have. Maximum value you can take is only till 9. So after finding the relation, express the answer in roster form, graph and also the arrow diagram. So write on the values of x and y and then mark the relation. So for the arrow diagram, write on the values of x and y and then draw the lines between the numbers which are related. So 1 is related to 4, 2 to 5, 3 to 6, 4 to 7, 5 to 8 and 6 to 9. So to represent graphically, draw a graph, mark x, y, x dash and y dash axis and plot the points from 1 to 10 and then take 1 from your x value and 4 from your y value. mark it and write it as 1 comma 4. So similarly for 2 comma 5, then 3 comma 6, 4 comma 7, 5 comma 8 and 6 comma 9. So the last one is the roster form. Open the flower bracket. So R is equal to, open the flower bracket, write down all the relation, that is 1 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 7, 5 comma 8 and then 6 comma 9. Fifth question, a company has 4 categories of employees given by assistants A, clerks C, managers M and an executive officer E. The company provide rupees 10,000, rupees 25,000, rupees 50,000 and rupees 1 lakh as salaries to the people who work in the categories A, C, M and E respectively. If A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5 were assistants and C1, C2, C3, C4 were clerks, M1, M2, M3 were managers and E1 and E2 were executive officers, and if the relation R is defined by X related to Y, where X is the salary given to the person Y, express the relation R through an ordered pair and an arrow diagram. So from the questions you can see that there are 5 assistants and they have been marked as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, and there are 4 clerks and they have been marked as C1, C2, C3 and C4, 3 managers M1, M2, M3 and executive officers E1 and E2. So 10,000 salary is given to assistants and 25,000 salary is given to the clerk and 50,000 salary is given to managers and 1 lakh salary is given to the executive officers. And they have given X comma Y is a relation where X is the salary and Y is the person, and they have represented assistant as A1, right? So when you are writing the first relation for the assistants, you will get 10,000 comma A1 and 10,000 comma A2. So similarly for 25,000 for clerks and 50,000 for managers and 1 lakh for executive officers. So when you are writing the ordered pair, write R is equal to, open the flower bracket, so 10,000 is for assistants, that is A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. So now you have written for assistants. Now you need to write for clerks. For clerk, the salary is 25,000. So when you write in ordered pairs, you will get the relation like this. So 10,000 is for the assistants. So 10,000 comma A1, A2, A3. You have to write till A5, and then for the clerks the salary is 25,000, so you have to write from C1, C2, C3 and C4, and for managers the salary is 50,000, so for M1 and M2, M3 you will have to write 50,000, and for E1 and E2 it's 1 lakh. So this is how you represent an ordered pairs. So, and when you are representing in an arrow diagram, the salaries will be in your left side, that is 10,000, 25,000, 50,000 and 1 lakh. And then the employee which they are representing as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, C1, C2, C3, C4, M1, M2, M3 and E1 and E2, where 10,000 will be marked to the assistant and 25,000 to the clerks, 50,000 to the managers and 1 lakh to the executive managers. Sorry, that is executive officers. So 1 lakh will be marked to executive officers.